Hey! In front of me is Poco M5, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this device. You need to begin by opening the device's settings and scrolling all the way down. Over here, click on Additional Settings. Now you need to select Languages and Input, then Manage Keywords and Keyboard. Finally, tap on Text Correction section and scroll down just a bit. Then manage autocorrection by clicking on this switcher next to it. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!